During the industrial era, cities grew rapidly and became centers of population and production. Rapid growth brought urban problems, and industrial era cities were rife with dangers to health and safety. Quickly expanding industrial cities could be quite deadly, full of contaminated water and air, and communicable diseases. During the Industrial Revolution, thousands of new, cheaply built houses were constructed near mines and factories. The conditions or quality of the houses were not a major concern to the factory owners. These homes were England's first urban slums. Major homes were small, more like rooms, and were extremely overcrowded. The area of rooms were 22 by 16 feet, and a house could be up to 50 different people from several different families. Families would take turns sleeping in beds if they could afford one. People without a home slept in parks, and fishermen slept in their boats. A form of education that children received came primarily from Sunday school. Sunday schools were first established in the middle class in 1780 to teach young children from the working class industrial habits and skills for factory life. Also to teach Christian values, as well as teach the poor their place in society. In 1811, the Church of New England National Society for Promoting the Education for the Poor, or also known as the National Society for Promoting Religious Education, was created. In 1833, the society was given over £20,000 from the government to invest for the purpose of creating more schools. It was not until the late 1830s and early up to 1840s when a noticeable change in the standard of living for the laboring class started to show. The Laborers' Friend Society was created in 1830, and their mandate was to create better housing for the working class. They helped create better homes for the poor. When the old styles were reformed to adhere to laissez-faire ideals, the changes of living standards of the poor changed as well. Profit became the main motivator for builders. They knew that those coming to the cities needed a job and somewhere to live. Therefore, a house was put up quickly and cheaply, and as many were built as possible. The Industrial Revolution saw the start of what was known to be back-to-back terrace housing. These had no gardens, and the only part of the building not connected to another house would be the front, and the entrance only. In Nottingham, out of a total of 11,000 homes in the 1840s, 7,000 were back-to-back. Despite the growth in wealth and industry, urbanization also had some negative effects. On the whole, working-class neighborhoods were bleak, crowded, dirty, and polluted. Living in the time of the Industrial Revolution would not have been an enjoyable time.